Yo gang, what's good? Peace be upon all of you. Assalamualaikum. To all my viewers from Indonesia, dari Nusantara ya, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, and to the rest of the world. What's good? What's up? It's Atrez react with yet another new episode. Kalau kemarin aku did an unboxing and review of my new rod daripada Relix Nusantara, the Rotan. Well, this time round, I got myself yet another new rod from also Relix Nusantara. But kali ni, I got myself a whole new rod. It's a different series. It's called the Jabrik light jigging series, and it's specifically meant untuk main boat. Alright, why? I will show you why, and I will tell you why. So before we begin, don't forget guys, click subscribe, like and share, comment and share the love, okay? That being said, to all my new followers, to all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that my videos provide entertainment to you guys. I'm constantly learning as well, so I apologize if there's any kekurangan, ada yang mungkin kurang enak atau apa ya. So I apologize, minta maaf. I will try my best to keep improving, improvising and make my channel better. Alright, so once again, thank you all, terima kasih semuanya kerana telah terhibur dengan video-video saya, dan sekali lagi hari ini aku nak unbox dan review rod baru yang aku baru dapat daripada Relix Nusantara, which is the Jabrik PE2 Spinning, the light jigging series. So if you guys are ready, well, before we begin, let's tune in to my intro. Let's go. Nampak zret. Oh, the fight gang, the fight. Jigging! Well, and there you have it. That's the PE2. Belum buka lagi. We're gonna open it together. It's brand new, baru, and I'm really excited. And I love the color. When I first saw it, it's like love at first sight because I really love it. The way it looks, memang cun gila. Okay, so kita nak unbox bersama. Okay, so let's go check it out. everyone, there you have it. Itu dia, kita dah sama-sama reveal this Jabrik. Kita buka sama-sama and memang it looks really good, guys. Memang nampak dia memang cun gila. It's just so sexy, just so beautiful, and I truly love it. Aku suka gila kot. Okay, let's talk about the rod. Okay, this rod dia merupakan the 662 bermaksud the length is 6 feet 6 inch dan 2 piece. It's a 2-piece rod. Alright, so 662. Okay, dan the punya PE is PE2 and the maximum jig that can accommodate the strength of the rod adalah 150 gram. So it can accommodate up to max jig of weighing 150 gram. But of course, me, I like to test the rod, so I usually try to exceed that number and to see how much more can the rod takes. And yep, yang sangat menarik. Okay, why I say it's meant for boat, or I would say meant for jigging, in other words. Alright, because of this long butt. Okay, so the purpose of this long butt khususnya adalah kepit bawah ketiak. Alright. So when you jig kan, dia senang, nampak? So it's more comfortable, lagi selesa, and you are able to actually fight in a more comfortable manner. Okay. Dan the material, it's all Japan style. It's Fuji quality product. Okay, and the color combination, it's splendid, gang. Look at this. It's black base, the butt, and there's a golden ring. Okay, and of course it's brand new with the tags. Okay, and okay, I got to know something, gang. Jabrik. Why is it called Jabrik? It's very simple. Jabrik merupakan sejenis ikan. Right, look at this. This is what Jabrik is. So they actually drew the Jabrik fish. Ini ikan Jabrik ya. Ikan Jabrik. Yeah. So that's the name of the fish. So this rod probably it's meant to catch the Jabrik fish. That's what aku assume lah kan. Okay, and of course the logo, which I love a lot, Relix Nusantara. And then of course comes to, because it's a spinning, so this is where you put your reel. Alright, and it says here quality Fuji product. Alright, and further up we got the what is this? Yeah, we got the info. Alright, line PE2, max jig 150, and the length. Alright, cantik It looks really amazing, man. Very well done. I mean, given that this is from Indonesia, gang, and for them to actually come up with this fine piece, it's really amazing. So that's why I love Relix Nusantara. I mean, this is my second rod from Relix. The first one being the Rotan, second one being the Jabrik, and I'm looking into the Changke and the Jagero Monstero. Check that. I'm gonna get those, man. Alright, so okay, let's talk about the top part. Alright, so the sama je. Yang okay, it's as you can see, Fuji, K-guide, tangle free. Okay, and all the rings, okay, they are all what it's called the Alconite ring. Okay, and let's see how many rings have they got. Okay, they got the top one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 rings, 9 rings. Okay, very interesting. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this. Kita cuba pasang, Alright, so as you can see, memang as normal. I probably need to just sandpaper a little bit just to make it go inside a little bit further. And this is fine, this is okay, but I prefer to be even masuk lagi, even more inside, so that it's more stronger and more compact. Alright, so there we have it, guys. Jabrik by Relix Nusantara. And guess what? Tomorrow I'm going on a boat I am gonna bring this along on its first fishing adventure. Okay, so I'm not gonna test it on tone gas or whatsoever. I'm gonna test it on the real thing. Alright, we're gonna fight fishes with this tomorrow. Okay, wow. I don't know what to say, but all I can say is I truly love it. Aku suka gila, geng. Sedap, look. Bila kau kepit kan, and then you jig. The feel, it's comfortable. It feels really good. This is the way it should, man. Really good. And yep. And regarding the weight of this rod, okay, I'm gonna compare this to the rotan. I've got my rotan here with me. Okay, rotan is a very light rod. It's an ultra light. It's for ultralight fishing. So I'm going to compare the two. Oh, okay. Of course, Jabrik akan lebih berat lah kan, because it's a PE2. But given its status of a PE2 rod, tak jauh beza. It's probably about, okay, maybe times 2 of the rotan. Yep. It's very light. And guess what? It's lighter than my Tornado. My Daiwa Tornado is lighter than that. This is very light. Okay, and kenapa why I like light rods? Because of this. Bila kita pancing, I prefer to use light rods so that we can save our energy, and kita gunakan energy kita untuk pancing ikan, bukan untuk angkat benda ni. So if we are using a lot of energy just to hold the rod, you're wasting your energy there, and then to fight the fish, you will not have that much energy. So it's better for you to have a light rod, a strong one, so that you use less of your energy to hold the rod. Instead, you transfer and use most of your energy to fight the fish. That's my logic. Alright, I love it, man. Ringan gila, gang. I'm gonna try it tomorrow, hopefully. Semoga berhasil. Alright, so yep, that's all for this episode. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Don't forget, guys, click subscribe. I need that subscribers, the subscription. Dan semoga kita dapat bersilaturahim, berkawan, berkenalan ya kepada yang di Indonesia, di Malaysia, juga di Singapore. Alright, and to anywhere around the world, you know, like I think the anglers, we are one community by ourselves. And yep, shout out to Ripton. Thank you for featuring me in a few of my posts, and I think Ripton is a very good app that puts together all anglers from around the world. We share our catch report, where we fish. I think it forms a community in the app. So you guys, all you anglers out there, you may want to check out Ripton. They are amazing, man. Their app, it's easy, it's straightforward, and I think it's very engaging and interactive. Okay, so that's all from me, Atrez. Wish you guys very good fishing adventure ahead, tight lines, and have a good week ahead. Peace out.